How to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Make sure you've selected one video. Then, click on the video. At the bottom, scroll down on the left side and search for ratio. After you find aspect ratio, make it to TikTok and then press on the tick mark. Click on the video and adjust it at the top as you want. And now, click on overlay at the bottom. Press on add overlay. Scroll down to video you want to add and press on add. Now, video is here. You can zoom and make it to the ratio as you want. And after you do this, you're good to go. You can add audio, text as you want. And as you can see, two videos are playing side by side in one screen. And this is how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.